Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2019 GMC Sierra. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. They already broke the window and ransacked his car. So I want to make sure that that doesn't happen anymore. He went ahead and gave us a call. He definitely didn't want to add another alarm system. He wanted to keep everything factory. You know, just add, because basically he already has the alarm. He even has remote start and everything. The only thing he wanted to do is add the shock sensor, and that would be the end of that story. So yeah, basically what happens from factory, they don't come with any type of impact sensor. The only way the alarm fires off if you open the door. Everybody knows that, so nobody's going to open a door. They're going to break the window and did exactly what they did. They broke the window and they just went inside, and you had their legs dangling out the window, and they were emptying this guy out. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and you'll see now the alarm will fire off. Turn it off, just hit unlock on the remote control, and that will turn it off. Let's rearm it by hitting lock again. Yeah, interacts with what the car already has, that comes with the factory alarm. Not all these trucks come with factory alarm. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about doing this to yours, well, the way to test it out is to lower the driver's window down, close the door, hit lock on the remote, wait about a good minute, and just, since the window's going to be down, you're going to stick your hand from the inside, pull the lever and open the door and see if the alarm fires off. If it fires off, and then yes, and then we can do it. If your car is to push to start and all that, I'm almost certain that it does. The only time that I will have you check, it will be those vehicles that you buy this strip, kind of like the work trucks that they don't even come with a carpet. They come with this plastic mat and the seat of cloth, and you can pretty much tell that you got the bottom of the barrel truck. That one I will ask you to do that little test that I just told you to make sure that you do have a factory alarm. If not, we have to add an aftermarket alarm, which is not the end of the world either. Okay. Well, it's telling them, see, it won't remote start unless you start the truck with the key, because what it's telling you is that the car, it's been triggered, we trigger the alarm. So they want you to start the truck with the key. So yeah, they want you to start the truck with the key. That way the truck knows that, you know, you're the owner of the vehicle and that everything is fine with that alarm trigger. And then just hold it down for 3 seconds. Remote start will still work. It doesn't cut off your remote start at all. Only if the alarm has been triggered like 3 or 4 times in a row, then you have to start it with the key before you're able to start doing the remote start again. It's just to let the car know that everything is cool, that you know that you still have the key to the vehicle, and it's not somebody trying to steal it. I just wanted to show you that in the video. That way, if you're wondering if we do what that shock sensor add-on, would it stop any of the functions? No, everything stays working perfectly fine in your truck. This shock sensor add-on, this 2019, and probably it will be the same thing for 2020, GMC Sierra, was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, the shock sensor will work perfectly even in both sides of the truck. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.